#stories_short and endless. Was it fate? Along the beach, amidst the noise of the waves and the bare sand, a handsome boy, whose yellow shirt had swallowed all that beauty, was walking slowly. In his dark and gloomy world, he was looking for a footprint that would point to his heart. A girl with black hair sitting in the night, with honey eyes and a slippery body like a fish floating in the waves, had occupied the young boy's mind. A breeze from the sea was walking on the painted face of the young boy, and his fleshy lips were biting. Every girl's heart would weaken and weaken upon seeing him. And she wanted to give her whole being to the boy. The wind, eager to blow through the boy's hair, had considered it a chance to plunder and was lost in a romantic intoxication. A strange feeling pinned her to the spot, a feeling that had been lost in the boy's dark world for years. Candle melting was painted on their faces. The boy's dark world was buried behind her always sleeping eyes. And the heavy silence that fell in the narrow, dark corridors dragged with it his constant companion, the girl who had not caressed his ear for years. Two loves, two empty chairs waiting by the beach, two hearts on fire, tied together. Was it fate?